Hello everyone, this is LizardBoy1 and welcome back to one of my videos. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade fish food or homemade fish flakes out of lettuce. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get a pan and put it with water and turn it on high, as you can see there. And then you just get your lettuce and just drop it in there. And I would suggest to get a lot because this looks like a lot, but it really isn't a lot. I'm just doing this for the video. So once you got your lettuce there, leave it for 10 minutes and we'll be back with you in 10 minutes. So we've been boiling this thing for about 10 minutes and now we're going to take it out and I'm going to put it here. So we just took it out of the pan and that's how it should look like. The next step is to put the napkin like that and take all the water out. You seen the water come out? Take it out, all of it. Once you do that, you have to open it. And that's what it should look when you open it. Now here comes your decision. My fish, for example, likes both ways. He likes the pellets, he likes the food to drop down, and he likes the food to stay in the surface. So if your fish doesn't like flakes, you could just cut off little pieces and feed it to him. That's what I used to do too. Or you can make flakes. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make flakes. So you have to let it dry either outside or in your home, with an air conditioner, with something. You have to wait for it to dry. And it could be a long time for it to dry. But I'm going to come back to you guys when it's fully dry. So as you can see here, it's already dried. It's dry. Now the next step is to get one and crunch it like this. Get little pieces out of it. And I'm gonna come back to you when it's already done. So I finished grounding them up. Now I'm gonna put them in this little container and I'm gonna feed it to my fish. So as you can see, I have now the fish flakes and I'm gonna feed it to my fish either in this video or another one. So yeah, this is how you make fish flakes. Homemade fish flakes with just lettuce. And that's why I said to get more lettuce, because as you can see, there's not really a lot. But if you just feed it to your fish boiled already, just boil it and feed it to your fish without drying it, it lasts way longer. And my fish eats it like that too. So yeah, this is how you make homemade fish flakes. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell for you can receive any of my newest videos. And he's already gonna eat it there. See? And there's the flakes. So yeah, this is how you make homemade fish food. Thanks for watching.